Hi, this is Samantha, and I'm going to show you how to use the Kagan Engagement Structure Selector tool in MagicSchool AI. So the first thing that you'll need to do is upload the tool to your MagicSchool by clicking the link, and then MagicSchool will ask you if you want to add the tool called Select a Kagan Structure, and so you'll choose Add Custom Tool. Once you do that, you can search the Select a Kagan Structure tool, and it's going to tell you what the instructions are for the custom chatbot. So for this chatbot, it's telling it that it is an instructional coach assisting a teacher in selecting a Kagan engagement structure for their lesson. Please analyze the following criteria and recommend the most suitable structure. And then in a moment, it'll give you a spot to input the learning objective, grade level, subject area, classroom setup, the time you have available, and your desired student interaction type. And it's using a file of comprehensive Kagan structures in order to pull this information from. So all you need to do on this screen is to select Generate. And then from here, it's going to ask you to input the information in bold. So for our learning objective, I'm actually going to take a South Carolina math indicator. And I'm going to say students will, and then I'm going to paste the indicator. This is for third grade. Then for the subject area, I'm going to say this is for third grade math. The classroom is set up in groups of 4. We have 20 minutes for this activity. And for my desired student interaction type, I would like students to work in their groups of 4. And let's go ahead and send the message and see what it generates. So this is going to tell us to use Rally Coach. It's going to tell us why it matches our learning objective, grade level appropriateness, the time, and it's going to give me an example of how I can implement it. If I don't want to use Rally Coach here, I can go ahead and say, would you please provide an alternative structure? And then it's going to recommend a different structure that will also work. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe for more Dear Dis content.